Hi, welcome to Filson Filter Channel. Now in this video, we're simply introducing the industrial high-pressure water filtration by duplex filters and exploring what applications they are typically applied in. To meet the demands of extreme pressure applications such as 320 bars, our high-pressure water filters are machined from a piece of solid steel block without any welding process and seams, offer absolute sealing capacity and high pressure tolerance. Multiple changeover valves are specially designed for high pressures and highly integrated with the filter vessel. Can provide redundant protection to minimize safety risks in high-pressure operating environments. Not only enables continuous filtration, duplex design allows two chambers switchable so that no pressure relief required during filter element replacement, providing stable pressure to protect high-pressure pumps and reduce system safety risks. So, where are these duplex filters usually used? High-pressure water injection, where system uptime is non-negotiable, is the first of their typical applications. In addition to the monoblock structure, they constructed entirely of stainless steel, from the filter housing and elements to all valves, flanges. It not only meets mechanical strength requirements, but also delivers exceptional corrosion resistance and a broad temperature tolerance range. Our duplex type high-pressure water filters are also available for the following applications: hydrostatic test or pressure testing systems, which may feature significant flow fluctuations; high-pressure RO feed, booster systems requiring continuous operation during desalination; and high-pressure pump protection for processed water, where the pumps are sensitive to particles. Filson Engineer Team is always on standby to discuss your projects, helping you face every high-pressure water filtration challenges. Don't forget the subscribe button. We'll update soon.